We've got Tom here today from CS Cavity Sliders. Tom, what is a cavity slider?
So a cavity slider is a door that slides completely into a cavity within the wall frame. It does so to save space. If you were using a hinge door in this application, you would lose a certain amount of usable space, and you can claim this back by using a cavity slider instead. Comes out from the wall like so, returns into the cavity like so, and when open, you've got this nice clear walkway with no obstruction.
And so what sets CS Cavity Sliders apart from competitors in the marketplace?
I've got an example just here. The difference between our cavity sliders and others you might find in the marketplace is this full aluminium frame.
Yes.
It's tougher, it's more versatile and more heavy duty than the ones you see on the market that are made completely out of timber at all four corners. It comes with a couple of different options to ensure a smooth roll and that neat soft close feature.
Beautiful. If you're building or renovating, come down to the Build and Design Centre and see CS Cavity Sliders today for your project.